Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, students. This is page 38, unit 6. Page 38, unit 6. We did the first half of unit 6 talking about simple present. We had simple present regular verbs and simple present irregular verbs. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out also on YouTube. Today we're going to start here with exercise 5. Get my pen. Here with exercise 5, the pronunciation. So this is S endings. الأس في الأخير الفعل. So we said sometimes it comes out as S, sometimes it comes out as Z, and sometimes it comes out as is. If you remember, we had this also, I think, in unit 2 with nouns. So let's play the audio and this is the audio for the pronunciation.
Exercise 5. Pronunciation. Third person, singular S endings. Listen and practice. Notice the pronunciation of the S endings. S equals S. Take. Takes. Sleep. Sleeps. S equals Z. Drive. Drives. Study. Studies. ES equals is. Dance. Dances. Watch. Watches. Irregular. Do. Does. Have. Has.
So like we talked about in unit 2, if you remember, if the word ends in K, P, or T, then the sound comes out S. So take, takes, sleep, sleeps, want, wants, right? They come out, these three, K, P, and T, at the end, they come out as S. And then on the other side, if we look at is, we said that S, SS, SH, CH, and X, these come out as is. So watch, watches, pass, passes, dance, dances. So in this C here, it just has an S sound, dance, dances. So that's why you find this C. And the rest, الباقي يكون هون with Z. فإذا نهاية الكلمة يكون ب K, P أو T يطلع صوت S. في هذا الميل ES بعد ال S, SS, SH, CH أو X يطلع is. تمام. Dances, watches, والباقي يكون هون في النص. Z drives studies. فنتكلم إن شاء الله عن هذا في درس إذا في أي سؤال. بس أنا أغلب تلاميذي لازم أذكر هذا من الله أعلم unit 2. تمام. هون we have the conversation, unit 6. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? And here we have this picture here. Two people, a man and a woman. What are they doing? They're talking. What's she wearing? What's she wearing? Jeans. She's wearing jeans, a t-shirt, and a red jacket. He's got headphones. Looks like he's wearing glasses. He's got on a brown jacket, a white t-shirt, and also jeans. He's wearing jeans. So we have these two people. We want to know what time do they get up in the morning? What time do they get up in the morning?
Page 38. Exercise 6. Conversation. What time do you get up? Page.
So for the beginning, ممكن can cover the conversation, غطي المحادثة, and listen. What time do they get up? What time do they get up?
Page 38. Exercise 6. Conversation. What time do you get up? Listen and practice.
Let's go to the park Sunday morning.
Good idea. But let's go in the afternoon. I sleep late on weekends.
What time do you get up?
I get up at noon.
Really? That's late. Do you eat breakfast at noon?
Yeah. What time do you get up?
At 10 o'clock.
Oh, that's early for a Sunday.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's eat at Park Cafe. They serve breakfast all day.
So what time does he get up? What time does he get up? He gets up at 12 o'clock. And she gets up at 10. So I sent the audio program so that you can practice. You can practice with the audio program. So the audio can be Paige and you can be Adam, and then switch. You can be Paige and the audio can be Adam. All right. So try to remember pronunciation. Look at the words that the T's that become D, for example, get up. And get up at noon, get up at noon, get up at noon. I get up at noon. Also the blending. All right. So practice the conversation and we will also practice it again, hopefully in class. All right, hopefully you had time to practice the conversation and you did it a few times and you're trying to use the pronunciation like us. We're going to look at the grammar focus, simple present questions. So the last grammar focus, we had statements. I walk to school, she drives to work. And we had also have, goes, and does. We had those statements as well. So now we have simple present questions. Let me pull up the audio.
Page 38, Exercise 6, Conversation. What time do you get up? Listen. Page 39, Exercise 7, Grammar Focus.
All right, here's our grammar focus. When got the audio, here we go.
Page 39, Exercise 7, Grammar Focus. Simple present questions.
Do you get up early on Sundays?
No, I get up late.
Does he eat breakfast at 7 o'clock?
No, he eats breakfast at 7:30.
Do they take a taxi to class?
No, they take the bus.
What time do you get up?
At noon.
What time does she have dinner?
At 8 o'clock.
When do they take the subway?
On Mondays and Wednesdays.
All right, so that's our grammar focus. First of all, these questions are with do, and does. So, do you get up early on Sunday? The answer is yes or no. Yes or no, like B. So, do you get up early on Sundays? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Or yes, I get up early, or no, I get up late. Does he eat breakfast at 7? No, he eats breakfast at 7:30. And then on this side, we have, what time do you get up? What time? And here they give us when. Okay? المعنى قريب. What time and when? What time do you get up? At noon. What time does he or she have dinner? So we use does with he and she. But what time, or sorry, does he eat breakfast? Not does he eats breakfast. We can only have one S, واحد S. So here we have does. After does, we have verb 1. Does he eat? Not does he eats. Yani does he eats is wrong. 1S. Here we have some time expressions. So we have early, late, every day. And then they gave us these here, at nine, at noon, at midnight, at night. So at, we use with time. At, we use with time. And then we have with in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So here we have in. And we talked about this before. حكينا عن هذا الموضوع سابقا. We say in the evening, in the afternoon, in the morning, but at night, at night. So in is for a block of time, zaman. So at is for like clock time, ساعة. بس هذا فترة زمان. In we say in the morning, يعني في زمان شوية مسافة. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And the last one we have is on. On. On we use with days. On we use with days. So here, exercise A, it says complete the questions with do or does. You only have two choices, do or does. Yeah, do, yeah, does. بس. All right? So بدنا نكمل هذا ونشوفه في وقت الدرس. We'll check this in class. All right? So you're going to finish this at home. And also on the bottom, هذا في الوقت الدرس. B, here, C. Unscramble. Unscramble the questions to complete the conversation. So here, الكلمات يكون مخلوط. You want to take these words and make a sentence. So you, what time dinner do eat? You, what time dinner do eat? What time do you eat dinner? What time do you eat dinner? All right. So number 2, بدك تاخذ هذول الكلمات مخلوط وشكل الأسئلة فوق. All right. وأنا بشوف نتيجة شغلات إن شاء الله في وقت الدرس.
Page 40, exercise 8, listening. Kayla's weekly routine. Listen to Kayla talk about her weekly routine. Check the days she does each thing. Do you pay?
So here on page 40, we have this listening exercise. Zoom in a bit. We have this listening exercise. Kayla's weekly routine. So we're going to do this listening exercise about Kayla. Here we have the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right? And here we have her routine: get up early, go to work, play tennis, go shopping, see friends, dinner with family, and study. So you want to choose what day she does these things. What day she does these things. Let's listen.
Page 40, exercise 8, listening.
Kayla's weekly routine. Listen to Kayla talk about her weekly routine. Check the days she does each thing.
Do you get up early every day, Kayla?
Well, I get up early on weekdays and on Saturdays. I go to school from Monday to Friday, and I work on Saturdays, so I get up around 7 o'clock.
How about on Sundays?
Sundays? That's the day I sleep late.
What else do you do? I mean, what do you do for fun during the week?
I love tennis. I play 3 times a week, on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Oh, and I also go shopping on Saturdays after work.
What about the rest of the weekend? When do you see your friends?
Let's see. I see friends on Fridays and Saturdays. That's in the evening, but not on Sunday evenings. My family always eats dinner together then.
When do you study?
Every day.
Wow, you're really busy.
All right, so again, you have the audio. If you want, you can go back in the video, or you can listen to the audio and check your answers. All right? And we will check your work, inshallah, in class. For the rest of the units, you have exercise 9. So this routine here, this was for Kayla. This was for Kayla. This exercise 9 is for you, My weekly routine. What do you do every week? Write your routine in the chart. So here we have the days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to the end. And here we want your routine. What do you do? All right. And I gave this as homework for the students. I gave that as homework. And also, I gave them the reading as homework. So there is also an audio. Here you can see there's an audio for the reading exercise. Students, please do the reading with no help. Do the reading with no help. At least 2 times with no help. So you're gonna listen and read in English with no help 2 times. And you're gonna mark any new words. Any words you don't know, you're gonna mark them. All right? Twice. And try to understand the meaning from the text. All right? بدك تجرب هذا مرتين بالانجليزي بلا مساعدة، بلا شيخ جوجل، بلا قاموس او شيء. تمام؟ بدك تسمع وتقرأ مرتين، وحدد او خط على اي كلمة لا تعرفوا السوا. تمام؟ وكمل القراءة مرتين بلا مساعدة. وبعدين حاول أن تفهم الكلمات من الموضوع، حاول أن تفهم الكلمات من الجملة نفسه. right؟ بس خلصت بتكمل هون B. Read the article and number the activities on Mike's schedule from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. So what's number 1? What's number 2? What's number 3? All right? And I will check this in the room. And also, this is also part B. What time does Mike write about each room? What time does he get up? What time does he talk to the hotel manager? What time does he go to bed? And what time does he have breakfast? Okay, students. هذا النصف الثاني from Unit 6. Unit 6. alright. إن شاء الله الدرس الجاي نتأكد على شغلك إن شاء الله. الله يجزيك الخير. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.